Alright, so in this video, we will learn how to install brackets on your Mac. So I have already opened Google, and from here I'll click on brackets, and after that clicking the very first thing, brackets.io. So now since I'm on Mac, so it automatically understands that I am using Mac. The browser understands that I'm using Mac, so it's gonna give me the option of installing the primary link as in for Mac. Okay, so what I can see other than that is I can click on other downloads, and it's gonna actually tell me the other versions that are available. Now DEB is for I guess Ubuntu, and MSI is for Microsoft. DMG is our version. So I'm just gonna go back and click from here, and I'll say download brackets, and you can see that it's installing. The total file size is about 71.1 MBs, and it's downloading. It will take a little while. Alright, so we're done with the installation part, and now we'll just open this. And the DMG file is getting verified at the moment. Alright, we're done with it. So that's it. That's all what we need to do. We just need to now drag brackets and add it in the applications folder right here, and that's it. Okay, so we're done. We are done, and brackets is getting copied in the applications folder. That's it. We're done. So now let's just open brackets by going to the Launchpad. Let's close this first. Launchpad. There we go. And we have brackets over here. So just open this. And it's getting verified again. And it shows brackets is an application downloaded from the internet. Yep, I want to open it. And there we go. So brackets is open now. And that's it. Now these are the files, the default files. You can see right here. They came in with brackets. Okay, so if I click on index, you can see that it has something like some information regarding the code editor. Alright, so that's how you install brackets on your Mac. Okay, so pretty simple to install. Just go to brackets.io and just click on the version that you want to install. Sometimes you might be using Windows, sometimes you might be using Mac, iOS. So you have to make sure that also you might be using Ubuntu as well. So you have to make sure that you are installing the right version for your system. So that's it. And one of the reasons why this is a very nice editor is because it's very user-friendly. That's the first thing which comes to my mind when I say anything about brackets. So now you're ready to code on your Mac. Hope you're pumped up. So keep learning, and of course, keep practicing.